I'm not going to waste your time with a lot of theory in this course. Every single lesson is going to be filled with tip after tip to help you be more effective with your own body language in business. But let's take just a moment to step back and ask ourselves, why is body language so important, and why is it, in fact, more important than ever right now at this moment in history? I believe it's because there's never been more opportunities for people to see you and your body in business situations. Now, this is counterintuitive to some. People say, well, everything can be done online and everything is remote and email and text. Yeah, that's true. But before you get that really important job, that resume that you sent online is going to result in an in-person interview. If your body language is sending mixed signals or you seem nervous or uncomfortable, you're probably not going to get that job. People talk about, oh, no one likes to fly anymore, business travel is expensive. It's actually not true. Flight is at an all-time high. There are more and more conventions, trade association meetings, professional meetings everywhere in the world going on every day, which means more of an opportunity for you to speak, to give presentations, to appear on a panel. We live in a world where more and more people are getting guidance coaching on writing their resumes. Everyone's resume looks good. People get coached on how to have a perfect LinkedIn profile. Everyone looks great on their LinkedIn profile. So where do we as human beings differentiate? When we see the person, either face-to-face, in person, or on video. Speaking of video, there's been an explosion of opportunities for customers, clients, prospects to see you on video, whether it's Skype video, Zoom, creating simple videos as messages to clients in the form of proposals, video for your own website talking about your services. So that's why getting your body language just right is so important. That's why you've got to be completely confident that you're coming across your very best. So let's hop right in.